Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Oyster Global Payroll Review My Usage Experience. Oyster Global Payroll Review My Usage Experience offers a global payroll solution for businesses with international employees. It aims to simplify the complex process of paying employees across different countries, handling tax compliance and local regulations. Key features likely include multi-currency payroll processing, tax calculation and filing, and potentially benefits administration. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Oyster's positioning seems to be focused on ease of use and compliance, promising to streamline international payroll management. They emphasize transparency. Their website suggests a clear pricing structure, though specifics are likely available upon request. They handle the complexities of international payroll, which is a major selling point for businesses aiming to expand globally. Availability is likely global, given their target audience, but checking their website for specific country coverage is recommended. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Oyster Global Payroll Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was well structured, guiding me through the necessary steps to set up my company profile and employee information. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard is clean and clearly organized. I especially appreciated the easy-to-understand reports that provided a comprehensive overview of payroll expenses and tax withholdings. For example, generating a report for Q2 was as simple as selecting the relevant period and clicking Generate. The system worked flawlessly throughout my testing phase. Payroll processing was quick and reliable. I had a quick question about expense reimbursements and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated tax calculation. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would make checking payroll details on the go more convenient. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Oyster's service. It streamlined a previously cumbersome process, significantly reducing the administrative burden associated with managing a globally distributed team. That's my overview of Oyster Global Payroll Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.